Understanding Jaw About Something, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for you. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, jaw about something. It's a casual expression that might pop up in movies, books, or conversations. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. When someone says they're jawing about something, they mean they're talking about it. But it's not just any talk. It implies a casual, lengthy, and often unproductive conversation. Imagine chatting with friends where the talk just goes on and on without any particular aim. That's jawing. The term jaw has been used as slang for talking or chatting since the 18th century. It comes from the literal action of the jaw moving when one speaks. Over time, jawing became a way to describe conversations that are more about spending time than exchanging serious ideas. Using jaw about something is easy and informal. It's perfect for social situations or storytelling. For example, you might say, "We were just jawing about the weekend," or "They spent hours jawing about old times." It's not typically used in formal contexts. Let's look at some examples to see how it fits into sentences. After the meeting, we stayed back and jawed about our holiday plans. My grandparents loved to jaw about their childhood in the countryside. I ran into an old friend, and we jawed about everything under the sun. These sentences show how jawing can be a part of everyday conversations, reflecting a relaxed and engaging way of communicating. So, there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, jaw about something. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression and feel more confident incorporating it into your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself, and phrases like these add color and authenticity to your speech. Thanks for watching, and keep on jawing about English with us.